Hello everyone, this is IGNOU student guider this side. So today's video is for the answer key of BEVAE 181 which of June 2024. And this answer key is 100% verified from official book. And I also provided book pages in which there are answers to make sure you all are assured about my answers. Okay, now I will take your 1 minute to tell you something important about my answers. For this video, firstly, I take answers from ChatGPT, but to make sure that answers are 100% correct and verified, find answers from Environmental Studies book of IGNOU and find out that some ChatGPT answers are not correct or not according to the book. So now with my lot of efforts, I'm making this video with verified answers and explanation okay, so let's start the video. Question 1 is which one of the following is a natural environment? Options are crop fields, sanctuaries, forest and parks. So the correct answer is forest. This answer you can find on the page 10 of block 1. In this diagram, you can see there are three types of environment: natural environment, human modified environment, human made environment. And इस examples भी दे रखे हैं, so उसके हिसाब से आप answer check कर सकते हैं. And now the second question is who developed the concept of determinism? First option is Alexander von Humboldt. Second option is Lucien Febvre. Third option is Ellsworth Huntington. Fourth option is Friedrich Rätzel. And the correct answer is Friedrich Rätzel. And this answer you can find on the page number 12 of block 1 जिसमें आपको डिटर्मिनिज्म की थियरी दे रखी है. This concept was developed by German geographer Friedrich Rätzel. And the third question is which of the following is not one of the 17 sustainable development goals? Options are climate action, quality health care, quality education, gender equality. So now this answer you can find on the page number 16 of block 1. There are 17 sustainable development goals जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं क्वालिटी एजुकेशन है, जेंडर इक्वालिटी है, क्लाइमेट एक्शन है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वालिटी हेल्थ केयर इंक्लूडेड नहीं है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स में, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज क्वालिटी हेल्थ केयर. Now question 4 is life does not exist beyond dash meters above mean sea level, and options are 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000. Correct answer is 9,000. So this question is not direct. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. So इसमें आप देख सकते हैं बायोस्फीयर extends from the floor of the ocean some 11,000 meters below the surface of the earth to the top of the highest mountains or about 9,000 meters above the mean sea level. So आप इस लाइन में देख सकते हैं कि इन्होंने दे रखा है कि बायोस्फीयर कहाँ से कहाँ तक एक्सटेंड करता है. सो उस 9,000 मीटर्स अबव द मीन सी लेवल तक एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो उसके ऊपर जो है बायोस्फीयर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. सो द आंसर इज 9,000 मीटर. Now question 5 is which one is placed at trophic level 5 in an aquatic environment? Options are planktons, small fish, large fish, sharks. And the correct answer is shark. पेज नंबर 29 ऑफ यूनिट 2 जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इस ट्राइग्राम में आपको टेरेस्ट्रियल और एक्वेटिक एनवायरनमेंट के ट्रॉफिक लेवल्स दे रखे हैं. सो फिफ्थ ट्रॉफिक लेवल पर एक्वेटिक एनवायरनमेंट में आती है शार्क. So the correct answer is shark. And now question 6, the main reservoir of sulfur in the biosphere is. Options are soil and sediments, atmosphere, ocean, organisms. So the correct answer is soil and sediments. And this answer you can see on the page number 36 of block 1. The large sulfur reservoir is in the soil and sediments where it is locked in organic and so on. So the correct answer is soil and sediments. Now question 7 is in ecological succession, the intermediate community stage is termed as. Options are grass community, serre, moss stage, organisms. So the correct answer is serre. And this answer you can find page number 39 of block 1. In the left side box, serial stage or serial community is the intermediate community stage in succession in an ecosystem which is progressively towards its climax community. So the correct answer is serial. Now the question 8 is anteaters, giant flying squirrels and sloths are found in. Options are subtropical rainforest, tropical rainforest, temperate rainforest, temperate evergreen forest. So the correct answer is tropical rainforest. And this answer you can find on the page number 47 of block 1 unit 3. You can see here tropical rainforest, anteaters, giant flying squirrels, sloths. So the answer is tropical rainforest. So the question 9 is an estuary is a transitional zone representing Options are vast area of saline water, a small number of organisms, great productivity built on a large base, a small variation in estuaries physical environment. So in these options, the most suitable answer is great productivity built on a large base. So this answer you can find on the page number 59 of unit 3. You can find all the other options are incorrect directly, but the third option is little bit okay in comparison to others option. So the third option you can see that a great productivity of estuaries built on a narrow base. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे नैरो बेस दे रखा है, वहाँ पे लार्ज बेस दे रखा है. सो नैरो भी लार्ज हो सकता है, बट अदर जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो डायरेक्टली अपोजिट हैं जो इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें दे रखी है. सो according to all the searches, Google search and chat GPT, and my opinion, that answer 3 is most suitable answer. Now, question 10 is which biome experiences intense heat, strong wind with great desiccating action during April and June? Options are grassland biome, forest biome, desert biome, tundra biome, and the correct answer is third, desert biome. So this answer you will this question is directly from the book. You can find this question in the book directly. Which biome experiences intense heat and strong wind with a great desiccating action during April to June? And इसका बुक में जो आंसर दे रखा है वो आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं. इट इज हेयर 2 का बी. सो 2 का बी है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज desert biome. Okay, so question 11 is which of the following aquatic organisms is found living at the bottom of the water mass? Options are benthos, neostron, necton, periphyton, and the correct answer is benthos. You will find on the page number 52 of block 1. 52 of block 1. Sorry, 52 से आगे वाला page, which is 53. So benthos is the answer. The benthos or the benthic organisms are those found living in or on the bottom or benthic region of the water mass. So the correct answer is benthos. Now question 12 is which of the following is a renewable resource? Options are coal, petroleum, forest, natural gas, and the correct answer is forest. 12 answer you can find on the page 66 of block 2 in these lines, in which there are examples of renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So forest pastures, wildlife, and aquatic life are examples of renewable resources, and water is also renewable resource. And fossil fuels are example of non-renewable resources. So with these examples, forest is the correct answer. Now question 13, the process by which solid water changes directly to vapor phase is known as. Options are precipitation, sublimation, evaporation, and transpiration. And the correct answer is sublimation. And this answer you can find on the page number 69 of unit 4. Sublimation. It is the process by which solid water changes directly to vapor phase without passing through the intervening liquid phase. Okay, so 13 answer is sublimation. Now, question 14 is which one of the following is not a traditional water management system in India? The options are johars, bamboo drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and pools. And the correct answer is sprinkler irrigation. And this answer you can find on the page number 73 of unit 4. You can see here water harvesting major examples are johars, bamboo drip irrigation, and pools are included in them. But sprinkler irrigation is not included in water management system, which is traditional in India. So third option is correct. Now question 15, which one of the following is not a major to control soil erosion? And the options are growing grass, shrubs, and trees, formation of broad walls along the coast, removing the bigger trees along the slope, construction of check dams. So the answer is removing the bigger trees along the slope. Third, it is not the major to control soil erosion. Now this answer you can find on the page number 87 of block 2. Formation of broad wall of stone along the coast, growth of grasses, shrubs, and trees on soils, construction of series of check dams. These three control measures are included in soil erosion control, but third option is not included. So the correct answer is third option. So question 15 answer is 3. Now question 16, which one of the following is an ecological significance of forest? Now options are providing numerous life-sustaining pharmaceutical products, wood and bamboo pulps used for manufacturing of paper, checks soil erosion, supports livelihood of many tribal communities. So the correct answer is checks soil erosion. Okay, so this answer you will find on page number 92 of unit 5 and block 2. So you can see economical significance of forest and ecological significance of forest. Other options are of economic significance of forest. I'll show you, wood and bamboo pulp are used for manufacturing paper, numerous life-sustaining products such as pharmaceuticals, and fruits, leaves, roots, and tubers of plants form the food of forest tribes. So and the answer which is correct, I'll show you where is it. Ecological significance में जो option सही है, how much of water is retained in the soil and how much flows away, sometimes causing flood, also depends on tree cover. So this is the definition of soil check. So only third option is economic significance. Others are economic significance. So the correct option is third, which is checks soil erosion. Other options are economic significance. Now question 17, ground fire takes place in the options are thorn forest, savanna forest, forest in the hot and humid region, dense forest. And the correct answer is dense forest. This answer on the page number 95 of unit 5. Ground forest is placed densely populated forest where tree tops may catch fire by heat produced by the constant rubbing each other. So densely populated forest में ground fire होता है. So according to this answer should be dense forest. So fourth answer is the correct. Question number 18. Which of the following enables tribal and other forest dwellers? Options are Forest Rights Act 1986, Forest Rights Act 2006, Forest Conservation Act 1986, Forest Conservation Act 1988. So the correct answer is Forest Rights Act 2006. And this question you can find answer you can find on the page 97 of unit 5. You can see in the last line the scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers recognition of forest rights act 2026 Act 2006. So the answer is second, Forest Rights Act 2006. Now question 19, hotspots are regions of high endemism, less species richness, less diversity, not under constant threat. So the correct answer is high endemism. This answer you can find on the page number 117. Hotspots are areas that are extremely rich in species, have high endemism, and are under constant threat. So all three options are incorrect. Only high endemism is the correct answer. So first option is correct. Now question 20, which of the following has the maximum genetic diversity in India? So options are tea, mango, teak, wheat. Now this answer you can find here. Different varieties of mango or rice are examples of genetic diversity with the species. So mango and rice is the answer. And here mango is given, not rice. So the correct option is mango. Now question 21, which one of the following is a use valuable of biodiversity? Optional value, bequest value, existence value, aesthetic value. And the correct option is 4, aesthetic value. In page number 119 of unit 6, you can see that other options are non-use values. Optional use, bequest value, and existence value are non-use value. And use value is only aesthetic value. This you can see on page 119 of unit 6. Correct option is aesthetic value. Now question 22, which one of the following statement about biological diversity in India is not correct? India is one of the 12 centers of origin of cultivated plants. India has 12 biogeographical regions. 4 biodiversity hotspots are found in India and its neighboring countries. India has 26 recognized endemism centers. Correct answer is 2. India has 12 biogeographical regions. Okay, so this answer you will find on the page number 118 of block 2. In this you can see other three options, 4 hotspots, biodiversity hotspots are in India with its neighboring countries. India has 10 biogeographical regions. So this is incorrect in the options. So this line you can see India has 10 biogeographical regions. The incorrect option is 2, which is India has 12 biogeographical regions, which is not true. There are 10 biogeographical regions. Now, question 23, which one of the following is a non-conventional source of energy? Options are coal, natural gas, wind energy, atomic energy. Correct answer is wind energy. And this answer you can find here non-conventional, conventional. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स भी दे रखे हैं, ये आप ये देख सकते हैं कि wind energy is a non-conventional source. Wind energy is non-conventional source. Others are coal, natural gas, atomic energy are conventional source. So the correct option is 3. Now question 24, use of non-conventional sources of energy is both cheap and pollution free is the answer. And you can find in the book on page number 135 of unit 7 that use of non-conventional source of energy is, and you can find out the answer is C. So the correct answer here of 24 question is 3, both cheap and pollution free. Now question 25, the most suitable fuel for a fuel cell is, options are hydrogen, nitrogen, water, carbon dioxide, and the correct answer is hydrogen. This answer you can find here, and I will mention the page number on the side. Most suitable fuel for such cells is hydrogen or a mixture of compounds. So hydrogen is the answer. Now question 26, sludge gas largely consists of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, methane, and the correct answer is methane. So sludge gas question answer you can find here. Biogas is sludge gas. Now the answer is, so 55 to 70% is methane gas in biogas. So biogas largely consists of methane is the correct option. Now question 27, artificial insemination is useful for ducks, elephants, snakes, or lizards. So the correct answer is elephants. This answer you can find here, which is artificial insemination in chapter environmental issues and concerns. So you can see elephants and cheetah. So elephant is the answer, and you can see elephant is in the option, so option 2 is correct. Now question 28, fostering as a conservation technique is found successful in whooping crane, black-footed ferret, Angus cow, seed plants. So the correct answer is 1, whooping crane. And this answer you can find in unit 8 of 16, unit 8 163 page number. Here you can see rearing of whooping cranes has also been successful. So fostering answer is whooping crane. Now question 29. So the correct option is 1 of 28. So question 29 is mangrove in the coastal area work against erosion by acting as natural filters, regulator of water, natural bulwark, natural recharging aquifers. So the correct answer is third option, natural bulwark. And this answer you can find on the page number 166 of block 3. In this image is written that mangroves acting as bulwark for environment. So the correct option is natural bulwark, third option. Now question 30 in MAB programs run by UNESCO. MAB stands for Man and Biosphere, Man and Biome, Mankind and Biodiversity, Mankind and Biomes. So the correct option is Man and Biospheres. You can find here Man and Biosphere MAB uh, on page 164 of block 3. So the correct answer is Man and Biosphere. Now question 31, which one of the following chemical is associated with Bhopal gas tragedy? Option 1 is methyl isocyanide, chlorofluorocarbon, carbon monoxide or methane. So the correct answer is methyl isocyanide, and this answer you can find on the page number 180 of block 3. You can see methyl isocyanate. So there's a misprint in this, but the most similar answer is methyl isocyanide. So we will take option 1. Now question 32, which one of the following is a measure of oxygen used by bacteria to decompose organic matter? First option is NPN, TDS, BOD, COD. So the correct answer is 3, BOD. Now you can find this answer on the page number 185 of unit 9, that biological oxygen demand, BOD, is a measure of oxygen used by microorganisms such as bacteria. So the correct answer is BOD. Okay, now question 33 is, which of the following is a biodegradable pollutant? DDT, paper, plastic, mercury. So the answer is paper. 2 का आंसर आपको मिलेगा इस पेज में नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल पॉल्यूटेंट्स जिसमें आपको पेपर दे रखा है बायोडिग्रेडेबल पॉल्यूटेंट में, एंड other options are incorrect. So paper is the correct option. Question 34, prescribed limit of noise pollution in India is 35 dBA, 40 dBA, 45 dBA, 50 dBA. The correct answer is 45 dBA, which I have confirmed from the book, official book of environmental studies. This answer is of ChatGPT, which is incorrect. So 45 dBA is the correct answer, and I can show you this in book. Delhi and Mumbai showed that noise levels were much higher than the prescribed limits of 45 dBA. You can see that prescribed limits of 45 dBA is the correct answer. This answer is on 189 page number, unit 9, and you can see the prescribed limits of 45 dBA is the correct answer. So this is ChatGPT answer, which is incorrect. 45 dBA is the correct answer. Question 35, which one of the following is a physical treatment of waste? Conditioning, digesting, composting, lagooning. So this question you can see. So this answer is also incorrect by ChatGPT. The correct answer is lagooning. You can see which of the following is a physical treatment of waste, and physical treatment में लगूनिंग and tank storage है, biological treatment में conditioning, digestion and composing है. So according to this, these three are biological treatments, and lagooning is a physical treatment. So the correct answer is lagooning. Answer of 35 question is lagooning, not conditioning. And now question 36 is, which of the following is the best method of waste minimization? Underground disposal, dumping at sea, incineration, landfill disposal. Now this answer you will find a waste minimization you can find on the page 195 of unit of block 3. You can read the text and answer will be inclination. So this inclination answer is correct. Now question 37, dash is the phenomenon of increase in the concentration of pollutant from one link in a food chain to another, and options are biodegradation, biomagnification, bioconcentration, bioaccumulation, and the correct answer is biomagnification. And this answer you can find on the page number 188 of block 3. You can see here bioaccumulation refers to the entry of pollutant in a food chain, and biomagnification is the phenomenon of increase in the concentration of a pollutant from one link in a food chain to another. So biomagnification is the answer. Okay, so biomagnification, option 2 is correct. Now question 38, the pH value of rainfall of 4 places A, B, C and D are given below. Identify the place which had the acid rain deposition. इसका आंसर ढूंढने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा पेज नंबर 220 of block 3. पोजीशन जब होता है जब किसी भी any form of precipitation such as rain, snow और fog का जो pH है वो less than 5.7 हो. So in this option 5.7 से less जो option है वो है 1. So the 1 is the correct answer. Less than 5.7.6 से कम होगा तो वो acid disposition कहलाएगा. So Now question 39, which day is observed as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer? Options are 25th May, 5th June, 16th September, 22nd December. So this question answer is on the page number 218 of block 3. You can see 16th September be observed each year as International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer. So 16th September is the correct answer. Now question 40, which of the following is not true about CFCs? Options are: they are responsible for ozone depletion, they are used in paints and deodorants, they are stable and remain in lower atmosphere for many years, they are unaffected by UV radiation in upper atmosphere. So तो हमें incorrect option बताना है CFCs के बारे में. So इसका आंसर हमें मिलेगा 217 पेज नंबर ऑफ यूनिट 11. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं CFCs are responsible for ozone depletion. CFCs are used in spray deodorants. CFCs also find use, okay, and the CFCs are very stable and unreactive compounds. When they reach the higher atmosphere, they are broken by the UV radiation and in the process. So जो मैंने लाइंस अंडरलाइन की हैं इन्हें आप देख सकते हैं कि इनमें से जो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं उनमें से करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन से हैं. So incorrect answer is they are unaffected by UV radiation in upper atmosphere. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं when they reach the higher atmosphere they are broken by the UV radiation. मतलब ये unaffected नहीं रहते, इन पे अफेक्ट पड़ता है. So the option 4 is incorrect and the answer is 4. Okay, now question 41 is the provision for environmental protection in our constitution was in the year 1976, 1980, 1985 or 1987. इसका answer we can find on the page 228, unit 12. इसमें ये लाइन देख सकते हैं आप. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1976 has made it fundamental duty to protect and improve natural environmental by clause to article 51A. So 1976 is the answer and this is the correct answer. Now question 42, NBA has been set up under the Wildlife Protection Act, Forest Conservation Act, Biodiversity Act, Environmental Protection Act. So इसका answer we can find on page 232 of block 4. You can see NBA is set up under the act, which is Biodiversity Act 2000. So the answer is Biodiversity Act. So third option is correct for NBA has been set up under the Biodiversity Act. Now question 43, which of the following is not a part of conservation projects of endangered species? Options are crocodile, camel, elephant, lion. Now this question answer we can find here conservation projects for individual endangered species like hangul, lion, tiger, crocodiles, brown antlered deer, elephant. Now इसमें से हम देखें, so lion is here, elephant is here, and crocodile is here. So the odd one out is camel. So it is not included part of conservation projects of endangered species. So second option is correct option. Now question 44, the study of origin of his disease is termed as etiology, epidemiology, serology, pathology. So the correct answer you can find on the page number 253. On the page number 253, on the left side, you can see the study of the cause or origin of disease is etiology. So the correct answer is first option, etiology. Now question 45, which of the following is a genetic disease? Malaria, alcoholism, diabetes, mongolism. So this question answer you can find on the page number 251, on the 251 of block 4. On the left side, some common genetic diseases के names दे रखे हैं. इनमें से mongolism is the correct answer. So mongolism is the correct answer. इनमें से कोई और genetic disease नहीं है. So mongolism is the correct answer. Now question 46, which of the following is a geological disaster? Options are flood, heat wave, landslides, forest fires. Now इसका answer we can find on page number 255 of unit 13. You can see geological disasters are landslides, avalanches, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and shifting sands. So according to this, landslides is the correct option. It is a geological disaster. Others are not geological disasters. So the correct option is 3. Now question 47, Chandi Prasad Bhatt was associated with Silent Valley movement, Chipko movement, Appiko movement, Taj trapezium. So इसका आंसर हमें मिलेगा 266 page number per of unit 13. You can see Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Chipko movement. This name is under Chipko movement. and you can also read the text. So the answer is Chipko movement. Second option is correct. Now question 48, which of the following views consider nature as mother and cannot be tamed? Indian views, Western views, Sinaitic views, both Western and Sinaitic views. इसका आंसर हमें मिलेगा पेज नंबर 273 of block 4 में आप देख सकते हैं the Indian spiritual tradition combines the perspectives on nature from Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. In this case, nature is a mother. So Indian spiritual condition is the correct answer. So Indian views is the correct answer. Now question 49, environmental decision that affects certain ethnic groups represents economic inequality, geographical inequality, proced geographical inequality, procedural inequality, social inequality. So this we can find on the page number 276 of unit 14. Environmental decisions often mirror the power arrangements. Social inequality में आप देख सकते हैं वो social inequality will be the correct answer when you read the text. So option 4 is correct. Now question 50. ENVIS centers are established by options are Ministry of Education, Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. You can see Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India has created an information system called ANVIS. You can see this on 285 page number. So the correct answer is 3, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. So that's the end of the video. This takes my lot of effort to answer with proof, with cutouts of book and explaining you where's the answer and how you can interpret the answer. So if you like my effort, please like the video, subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you. That's for today. अब मैं बनाऊंगी वीडियो दिसंबर 2024 की. You can subscribe my channel to get the notification of other video I will made in future.